Unidentified drones light up New Jersey skies, baffling residents. I've seen some videos on social media, and it looks like they're wheels within the wheels, like what was witnessed by the prophet Ezekiel of the Old Testament in the book of Ezekiel. Brightly lit against a dark night sky, the low-flying object was not a star, and it was not moving like a plane or a helicopter. Kat Dunbar spotted the strange object early one night several weeks ago while driving home with her children, and she was stumped. She said, "I was like, what is that? Is it a UFO?" Dunbar, 37 years old, acupuncturist and mother of three, she said, and we watched the whole way home. Then she said she thought nothing more about it until earlier this week when similarly bright, large, buzzing objects began flying low over her home in Bedminster, New Jersey. They were drones, she realized, and since then, she said, they have been back every night. Usually, she and her husband, Nick Dunbar, see the first drone not long after sunset. Then they keep coming one after another, sometimes 5 or more, following the same flight path. In the last week, it became a little bit of a menacing and it's creepy, Dunbar said. And she's not alone. Drone sightings have been reported in at least 10 New Jersey counties since mid-November. They've been spotted flying over important infrastructures like reservoirs, power lines, and railroads, in people's backyards and above highways. They often fly in groups and emit a loud humming noise that Dunbar, 39, described as similar to the sounds made by electric cars. The drones appear to be significantly larger than those widely available to hobbyists. The sightings have prompted the Federal Aviation Administration to temporarily ban drones from flying over a military base in Morris County and a golf club owned and frequently visited by President-elect Donald Trump. On November 26, drones flying near a landing zone prevented a medical helicopter from picking up a person injured in a car crash in Somerset County, according to NewJersey.com. Elected officials said the drones do not pose any threat to the public, but they have yet to provide information about who might be operating them or why. Well, they better find out who's operating them. The reported sightings have alarmed key local enforcement officials. The police chief of Florham Park, New Jersey, said in a statement on social media that the drone's presence appears nefarious in nature. In Hunterdon County, officials said that the drones had been seen near the county's emergency communications center and near Round Valley Reservoir, the largest in New Jersey and a critical part of the state's water supply. So what is going on here? Obviously, these are suspect. Unmanned objects in the sky have been spotted near U.S. military bases several times in the past year. In December 2023, drones swarmed the Langley Air Force Base in Virginia for 17 days, according to Wall Street Journal, which added that similar sightings have been made this year near Air Force Base in California. This is from New York Times on DNYUC. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.